NFB 870E, Standard for Electrical Safety in the Workplace, addresses the installations referenced in NEC Exhibits 230.8 and 230.12. Specifically, Section 110.4 of NFPA 70 permits these installations without requiring special permission, but this permission is contingent upon adherence to certain critical conditions. These conditions are essential for ensuring safety and compliance when working with electrical equipment. Firstly, the equipment must be operated or maintained exclusively by qualified persons. This stipulation emphasizes the importance of having personnel with the necessary knowledge, skills, and experience to handle the equipment safely and effectively. Qualified persons are individuals who have demonstrated proficiency in the operation and maintenance of the specific type of equipment in question and understand the potential hazards associated with it. Secondly, proper maintenance and regular testing of the equipment are mandatory. This condition underscores the need for a proactive approach to equipment upkeep to prevent failures, malfunctions, and potential hazards. Regular maintenance should include inspections, cleaning, lubrication, and component replacements as recommended by the manufacturer. Testing should be conducted according to established schedules and procedures to verify the equipment's functionality, performance, and safety. Thirdly, the equipment must be installed strictly in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. This requirement highlights the importance of adhering to the manufacturer's guidelines for installation to ensure that the equipment is installed correctly and safely. Deviations from the manufacturer's instructions can lead to improper installation, which can compromise the equipment's performance, reliability, and safety. The manufacturer's instructions typically provide detailed information on installation procedures, wiring diagrams, grounding requirements, and other critical aspects of the installation process. Finally, the equipment must be used in a manner that does not pose a hazard to personnel. This condition emphasizes the need for a responsible equipment operation and usage to minimize the risk of accidents, injuries, and other hazards. Equipment operators must be aware of the potential hazards associated with the equipment and take appropriate precautions to mitigate those hazards. This includes following established safety procedures, using personal protective equipment, and avoiding any actions that could create a dangerous situation. In summary, NFPA 70 Section 110.4 allows installations described in NEC Exhibits 230.8 and 230.12 without special permission provided that qualified personnel operate and maintain the equipment. The equipment is properly maintained and tested, the installation complies with manufacturer's instructions, and the equipment's usage does not endanger personnel. These conditions are essential for ensuring electrical safety in the workplace and preventing accidents and injuries.